Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. For this, your prep for today is going to be the last one of covering the uh, emergency plans that I've been doing all month. This one is covers one that most people don't think about, but historically it has happened several times. It's been recorded here in the United States. It's been recorded in Europe. It's been recorded in Asia. And that is the no summer event. So we're going to be talking about your no summer survival plan. Now, there have been several times where different natural events in the world has triggered a year that does not have a summer. During the the Revolutionary War, there was a year without a summer, and that was caused by a volcano in another part of the world, and the whole world suffered that year, and crops were practically non-existent, and there was a lot of problems. So that's one of the things you need to plan on as well, is what happens if something happens that causes there not to be a summer where you're at. Now, some places might do okay, like Florida, where they do most of their growing in the winter anyways, because the summer is just too hot for a lot of the crops. But most other places, if you don't have a summer, you're not going to have hardly any type of a crop yield. So make sure you have figured out what you're going to do if in your area you do not have a summer. Interestingly, one of the effects of the year without a summer in the Revolutionary War is that they were getting snow in July and August. All right, that's what I mean, a year without a summer. This is recorded. They were getting snow in July and August. So plan properly. Make sure you have plenty of food storage to carry you through a year without being able to go out and grow more food. Speaking of which, plant a garden. A lot of prepping channels out there saying, all right, you don't need to start planting a garden now. You just need to have plenty of seeds put away so that when SHTF or Tawaki happens, you can throw those seeds in the ground and you'll have all the food you need. Sorry, but gardening is not that simple, especially if there's no summer to garden in. So make sure you know how to garden now, put food away, so you have food to survive a year without a summer. All right? So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Add at least one new skill a month to your repertoire. All right? And the other thing about gardening, grow a garden so you don't have to get that chemically treated crap to sell in the stores now.